You're watching India Today. I'm Nabila Jamal, taking you through news coming in from Maharashtra as it continues to stay divided over Akshay Shinde's encounter. The rapist who molested two minor girls was shot dead. Shinde's father has now filed a petition in Bombay High Court, has sought probe by a special investigative team into this matter. Posters have now emerged in Mumbai which reads Badla Pura, meaning revenge is complete. Basically, Badla Pura. Another set of posters reads Justice is served and shows Deputy Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis holding a gun. Now, on Tuesday, a team of five doctors, beg your pardon, performed post-mortem of Akshay Shinde's body for about 7 hours. The report was handed over to the police. And according to details accessed by India Today, Akshay Shinde had sustained bullet injury on the head, lost a lot of blood, which eventually became the reason for his death. Now, meanwhile, opposition continues to pound the Maharashtra government over this matter, highlighting a lot of lapses by the police in this case, opposing that this was just retaliatory firing, claiming that this was nothing but cold-blooded murder, demanding a judicial probe into this case.
अक्षय शिंदे का एनकाउंटर मुंब्रा बाईपास रोड पर हुआ। इस पूरी घटना में पुलिस वैन कहीं पर भी नहीं रुकी। वैन दौड़ती रही और अंदर एनकाउंटर हो गया। एक गोली अक्षय शिंदे को लगती है, एक गोली पुलिस वाले को लगती है और टोटल 4 गोलियां इस पुलिस वैन के अंदर चलती है। लेकिन जो पुलिस वैन तलोजा जेल से अक्षय शिंदे को लेकर निकली थी, वो सीधे छत्रपति शिवाजी महाराज अस्पताल कलवा आकर रुकती है। पुलिस का कहना है कि उनकी प्राथमिकता ये थी कि जो लोग इस पूरे घटना में इंजर्ड है उनको अस्पताल ले जाया जाए, इसलिए उन्होंने पुलिस वैन को कहीं पर भी नहीं रोका। चौंकाने वाली बात यह है कि पूरे मुंब्रा बाईपास रोड पर इस घटना को कैप्चर करते हुए कोई भी सीसीटीवी फुटेज नहीं है, कोई भी आई विटनेस अभी तक नहीं है। बदलापुर केस के आरोपी अक्षय शिंदे का पोस्टमार्टम कल मुंबई स्थित जेजे अस्पताल में किया गया। लगभग 7 घंटे तक पोस्टमार्टम हुआ। फिलहाल अक्षय शिंदे की जो डेड बॉडी है वो कलवा के छत्रपति शिवाजी महाराज अस्पताल में रखी गई है और परिवार वालों ने पुलिस पर गंभीर आरोप लगाए हैं। परिवार का कहना है कि 1 हफ्ते पहले ही अक्षय ने शिकायत की थी कि उसको बहुत बुरी तरह पीटा जा रहा है और उसे जल्द से जल्द इस जेल से निकाला जाए। परिवार वालों का ये कहना है कि ये एनकाउंटर नहीं है, ये एक कोल्ड ब्लडेड मर्डर है और कई लोगों को बचाने के लिए अक्षय शिंदे को मौत के घाट उतारा है पुलिस ने।
ये सब एक पर्दा ढकने की बात है। जो मरा वो मरा। हम चाहते थे उसकी लीगल कार्रवाई कर रास्ते के चौराहे पे उसकी सजा होनी चाहिए थी। उसको जो फांसी पे लटकाना था, चौराहे पे करना चाहिए था। तो ये जो काम किया है वो दिखाता है कि इसमें बहुत सारी परत है जो अब तक उजागर नहीं हुई है। उसको छुपाने का काम भारतीय जनता पार्टी और मैंडेट लेना कर रही है।
All right, now you see the opposition netas quite clearly calling this a cold-blooded murder, that this was a staged encounter. Though the cops who shot him dead claim that Akshay, the accused, this man here you see on your screens, in fact, he tried to attack the cops and the cops retaliated only to save themselves. He pulled the gun away from the police and shot at one of the police officers, to which the cops reacted and gunned him down. In fact, the bullet on his face is what led to his death. He was rushed to the hospital but succumbed right when they reached. Cutting to Devesh, joining us for more details. Devesh, the opposition really mounting pressure on the government right now in Maharashtra, claiming that this was nothing but a cold-blooded murder done to cover up and maybe protect some of the influential people who may be connected to this crime.
Opposition since the day of the encounter has been launching attacks on the current ruling government in Maharashtra, the Mahayuti government. They've been stating that Akshay Shinde, the accused, was gunned down in cold blood to protect some of the influential school administration officials who are also accused in this case. That is what the allegation is. But the facts stated by the Thane Police Commissionerate are that Akshay Shinde snatched the weapon of API Nilesh More, fired 3 shots, in which API Nilesh More has suffered a bullet injury in his leg. And after that, Sanjay Shinde PI retaliated. He fired just one shot, and that hit on Akshay Shinde's head. And due to blood loss, his death happened. He was declared dead before arrival at the Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Hospital in Talwa, Thane district. A state CID inquiry, because Akshay Shinde was had died in police custody. A state CID inquiry as per procedure has been launched, and state CID team yesterday visited the Mumra police station under whose jurisdiction this incident happened. They also visited the spot as reported by India Today earlier, and they've collected some red color sample from the spot, which is suspected to be the blood of the accused Akshay Shinde, and also could be the blood of ATL Lilleshwari, because he has also suffered a bullet injury. The sample has been sent to the FSL Forensic Science Laboratory for further testing, and state CID will be recording statements of PI Sanjay Shinde, ATL Lilleshwari, and other police officials who were present when the incident happened. So, Nabila, as of now, it is a case of encounter as stated by the Thane Police Commissionerate, but yes, an offensive has been launched by the opposition against the ruling Mahayuti government in the state of Maharashtra.